welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered about the differentiated instructions and flexible modalities? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're exploring the differentiated instructions and flexible modalities. What is differentiated instruction? Differentiated instruction is an approach where teachers strategically plan to meet the diverse needs of every learner in a classroom. It recognizes that students have varied levels of readiness, interest, and learning profiles. What is flexible modalities? Flexible modalities in education refer to course delivery methods that offer students choices in how they attend and participate in a course. This flexibility can involve attending in person, online synchronously, or online asynchronously. Our first differentiating instructions and flexible modalities is case study. A case study is an in-depth analysis of a specific instance or situation. In education, a case study typically involves examining a particular classroom, students, or program to understand how specific teaching methods or intervention impact learning outcomes. Example: purpose, data collection, analysis, and outcomes. And we have here the visual of purpose, data collection, analysis, and outcomes. Our next is learner-generated digital media, or LGDM, refers to digital content that students create to learn subject matter. This approach encourages active learning, collaboration, creativity, and reflection. Examples of learner-created media include videos, podcasts, digital stories, animation, presentation. The benefits of using LGDM include improved communication skills, project planning, time management, critical thinking, and digital literacy. Whole group discussion. Whole group discussions involve teaching the entire class simultaneously. It is typically used to introduce new concepts, provide background information, or facilitate class-wide discussion. Example: lecture. The teacher presents information to the entire class. Next is demonstration. The teacher demonstrates a skills or concept while the class observes. Read aloud. The teacher reads aloud from a book or article while the class listens. Small group discussion. Small group discussions dividing the class into smaller groups to work on specific tasks or activities. It is often used to provide targeted support, encourage collaboration, or differentiate instruction. Example: guided reading. The teacher works with a small group of students to improve their reading skills. Math centers. Students rotate through different math centers, each focusing on a specific skills. Project-based learning. Students work in small groups to complete a project. This approaches reminds me that effective teaching is not about delivering in one-size-fits-all lesson, but about facilitating meaningful learning experiences for every student. It requires empathy, creativity, and continuous reflection. Embracing differentiations and flexibility help foster not only academic growth, but also confidence, motivation, and a sense of belonging among learners. Alright, that's it for today's vlog. We've talked about how differentiated instructions and flexible modalities really make a difference in helping every learner succeed. Remember, teaching is not just about delivering lessons. It's about connecting, adapting, and making sure its students has a way to shine. Bye-bye!